What's up everybody, 49's Fine back at you again today with another precious metals video. And today, with all the international tariffs, gold potentially being revalued, and Fort Knox also potentially being audited, I wanted to talk about whether or not if it's a good time to buy gold or silver. Let's talk about it. A huge thank you to our community members. Thank you guys very much for being part of the finest. Let me preface this video by stating this is not financial advice. Do your own research, come to your own conclusions based upon that research, and please like this video and subscribe. We're pushing hard for 2,000 subs. All right, let's get into it. So there's a ton of world events going on right now that are heavily pushing the spot price of gold. We've got tariffs that could potentially cause a trade war. We've got gold potentially being revalued because the United States gold reserves have not been audited in a very long time. So therefore, there is a ton of bullish sentiment behind gold. And when I pose the question, should you buy silver or should you buy gold? I mean that not so much in the current present day, but I ask that in the context of over the next year or two. Should you be picking up silver or should you be picking up gold? Right now, the silver to gold ratio is very wide. So on paper, in a vacuum, you would think, yeah, it's probably a better time to purchase silver, but that also depends on your investment time horizon. How much longer do you think you're going to be investing in precious metals? How much time do you have to continue investing in precious metals? And are you willing to take the gamble of playing the gold to silver ratio? Because the gold to silver ratio is excellent. 80 something ounces silver to 1 ounce of gold right now at the date of filming. But it could drop down to 60 to 1, 65 to 1, 70 to 1 in the future. And that's fantastic. You can pick up your gold for a significantly cheaper price by exchanging your gray metal for the yellow metal. But the only issue with that is we don't know when that's going to happen. And right now in our current day, it doesn't really look like it's going to happen anytime soon with all this bullish sentiment surrounding gold. But on the flip side of that coin, gold continues to get higher and higher. It's been holding over 2,900 for about 2 weeks now. Once again, at the date of filming, this video is not going to come out for about 10 days, so it could be totally different by the time this video is live. But in any case, gold has seen significant gains in the past 14 months, and it doesn't seem like it's going to stop. Ultimately, if I was someone that didn't want to potentially wait 15-20 years for the gold-silver ratio to close, if it ever does, I would be picking up gold. I would continue picking up gold. I would pick up fractional pieces because spot price is insane right now. There's no way I can afford a full ounce at $2,900. But nevertheless, I would continue to pick up gold over silver because I wouldn't want to wait for that ratio to close if it ever does. Now, if I'm a younger person, I may focus silver a little bit heavier because I do have that time. I could take advantage of the gold to silver ratio closing down to a shorter gap. I'm kind of on both sides of the fence. I don't take very much risk in my investing. I'm a tangible asset type of guy. I don't like high risk investments, and playing the gold to silver ratio is somewhat of a high risk investment strategy because we don't really know for a fact if that gap will ever close back up again. So I'm kind of leaning towards gold right now, despite how crazy expensive it is. I said back in the summer, about 5 months ago, 6 months ago, that $3,000 gold is a bargain. And it's crazy to walk into the coin shop or check online and see ounces for going for over $3,000. I don't think that's going to change. If there is a correction in gold price, I don't think it's anytime soon. I think we're going to continue pushing, maybe even up to 3,500 by the end of 2025. So I'm going to keep picking up gold. I will continue to pick up silver for the purpose of it being highly divisible and being able to sell and liquidate odd amounts if I ever had to. But for my personal net worth growth over time, I'm still going to continue focusing gold. So the answer to this question, should you buy silver, should you buy gold, is going to be different for everyone. How much time do you have? Do you not have very much time in your investment horizon? I would pick up gold. Do you have all the time in the world? I would maybe have more heavily pick up silver if you're wanting to play that gold to silver ratio. But ultimately, it's up to you guys. No matter what, in my opinion, I don't think you can go wrong picking up precious metals. It's much better to have 100 ounces of silver in your safe than $3,000 in your savings account in fiat dollars, because silver is going to appreciate over time. It is somewhat volatile, but it does appreciate and hold its value much, much better than the American dollar. So no matter which one you pick, you're going to be in a good spot. And if you're someone that really, really wants to pick up gold, but it's simply out of your budget, you can find there's nothing wrong with picking up little 1/10 ounce pieces or even gram sizes. There is a bit of a premium on that, but with how bullish gold seems like it's going to be for the next probably 12 to 18 months, that premium is going to get erased by spot price going up aggressively anyways. So with gold, I don't think you can really go wrong right now. But if you're wanting to potentially pick up a decent amount of gold at a significantly lower cost on your wallet, buying silver is probably the way to go. But then again, you're running that risk of potentially not seeing that gold to silver ratio close for a very long time, or maybe even ever. Maybe things are just different now. Maybe silver won't be able to catch up to gold. There's really no telling. That's why they call it a risky investment, is because the future is undetermined and pretty much unpredictable. So in any case, what do you guys think? What are you guys focusing? Spot price is super high for gold right now. Are you going to continue stacking up little pieces of the yellow metal, or are you paying more attention to the gold to silver ratio and picking up silver for the chance to exchange it for gold later on? Let me know, guys, what you think down in the comments below. Stay safe out there. Peace.